According to an article published in the National Post today by the Investigative Journalism Bureau, researchers inside St. Joseph's Lawson Research Institute studying heart attack recovery in humans are using dogs as stand-ins. Robert Cribb, founder of Investigative Journalism Bureau, spoke to two staffers who allege animal cruelty during the research.
They call it the secret sixth floor, and it's there that they undergo these procedures, which are effectively inducing heart attacks in the dogs to study heart failure and recovery. And they can go on for as long as 3 hours, according to the internal study protocol documents that we looked at.
The program is not something new. Sources tell CTV News it has been ongoing for years, citing a research paper from 2019 showing medical images of canine hearts being used in studies. In a statement to CTV News, St. Joseph's Hospital does not deny research involving canines is being conducted. However, it says the story contains several inaccuracies of fact. It goes on to explain the purpose of the research is to learn more about how to accurately image post-heart attack injury and healing that we cannot yet decipher using other models. The hospital says respect, excellence, and compassion are foundational to their ethical care and treatment of animals in research. However, the whistleblowers allege otherwise.
Through photos and video, they're caged. There appears to be no beds in the cages. There's feces. Post-surgery, they are. There's certainly video and descriptions of high-pitched whining.
Meanwhile, St. Joseph's maintains that they are regulated and guided by rigorous policies and procedures for high-quality animal care by provincial and national bodies. Animal testing is governed by the Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Agribusiness. In a statement to CTV News, Press Secretary Spencer Fair says, as reported, this research facility received federal funding for their research, and we expect the federal government to ensure its funding recipients operate ethically, transparently, and in accordance with Ontario law. Animal activists argue there are alternatives to animal experimentation.
We just know that there are serious questions about whether this research is needed or useful, and that non-animal methods are being explored in cutting-edge science around the world, and certainly Canada is falling behind, and St. Joseph's is falling behind.
CTV News reached out to LHSC to see if similar procedures were being used in research. In a statement, the hospital says at London Health Sciences Centre Research Institute, we conduct some studies with mice, rats, and frogs. Some studies also include pigs. Our studies do not involve dogs or any other animals.
Cardiac arrest and heart failure is, of course, an issue that affects millions of Canadians and is vitally important. The debate is over whether we need to kill dogs to do that.
Animal Justice says their main focus continues to be the rehoming of these animals as they continue to urge hospitals to release them. Reta Ismail, CTV News.
CTV News has not been able to independently verify some of the claims made in the IJB report.